Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today we'll explain about the basic program panel configuration and operation. Let's begin! Let's start! This is the program panel. This time represents the current playhead position. This time represents the time from in to out of video. You can adjust the size of the monitor displayed on the program panel from this combo box. If you select the whole display, the maximum size will be displayed according to the size of the current program panel. You can set the image quality of the monitor displayed on the program panel from this combo box. Full image quality is best. With full image quality, editing work can be done in detail and you can work with the most beautiful version of the image, but it will put a load on the computer accordingly, so depending on the performance of the computer, it may be more efficient to work with the image quality reduced. This shows the current playhead position. The same is displayed on the timeline panel. This shows the currently set in and out positions. The same is displayed on the timeline panel. Click the wrench icon here to display the time ruler numbers and the safe margins to adjust detailed settings. For example, click time ruler numbers to display time code on the ruler like this. You can click the safe margins to display the safe margin on the monitor like this. Next, I will explain the tool buttons on the program panel. Click Add Marker. You can add a marker at the current playhead position. At this time, the marker is added to both the program panel and the timeline panel. You can mark ins on both the program panel and the timeline panel by clicking the Mark In button. Click the Mark Out button to mark out on both the program panel and the timeline panel. Click Go To in Playhead to move to the place marked with In. Click Go to Out Playhead to move to the place marked with Out. Click back one frame to move the playhead left one frame at a time. Click forward one frame to move the playhead right one frame at a time. Click Play, Stop to run or stop video. If you click the Lift button, you can delete the part surrounded by in and out like this, but only the part where the track target is on like this is deleted. To delete all at once, turn on the track target and click the Lift button to delete all at once. If you click the Extract button, you can delete the part surrounded by in and out and fill the deleted space. Click the Export Frame button to export the image at the current playhead position as a still image. Name the file. Select the file format of the still image from GIF, JPEG, PNG, etc. Click the Browse button to set the location to save the file. If you tick Import into Project, then the image will be added to the project. Click the OK button to export as a still image and import it as is in the project. The imported still image can be placed on the timeline by dragging and dropping. By clicking the button of Comparison Display, you can divide the monitor and edit it while comparing it with another scene. Click Side-by-Side View to split the monitor into left and right. The left side is the scene to be compared, and the right side is the position of the playhead currently being edited. Click the Go to Next Edit button to move to the next cut or edited position. Click the Go to Previous Edit button to go back to the previous cut or edited position. By clicking the Split button in the vertical direction, you can split the monitor vertically and edit it while comparing it with another scene. By clicking the Horizontal Split button, you can split the monitor horizontally and edit it while comparing it with another scene. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.